In this video, I am going to share with you 5 online business ideas that you can start on a weekend in Kenya without money or with very little capital. And this is because having an income generating online business is one of the ways in which you can be able to achieve your financial stability in Kenya. In this regard, then you need to spend your weekends, your Saturdays and Sundays coming up with ideas or creating an income generating online business in Kenya. That would be one of the ways to spend your time in the best way so that you can create an asset that will help you generate extra income, or if you do not have a job or you are looking for money, you can actually turn your online business in Kenya into a cash flow generating asset. These 5 ideas that I'm going to share with you, while not exhaustive, represent some of the most profitable side hustles that you can start online in Kenya on a weekend. And the idea here is that you can leverage the power of the internet and content marketing to actually monetize your knowledge, your skills, your expertise, hobbies, passions, or life experiences. You can use your already existing advantages to actually make money online in Kenya by taking advantage of any of these online business ideas and starting an income generating online business in Kenya on a weekend. So I want you to spend a few hours this weekend to actually figure out whether you can be able to start any of these online business ideas. And the ones that I'm going to share with you today can be started by anyone regardless of your age, your education status, or even your social status. In fact, if you do not have a job, or if you are broke and do not have an income right now, you can really start making money online by taking any of these online business ideas and spending your weekend creating or building them into an income generating online business in Kenya. Starting a blog in Kenya is something that you can do on a weekend. You can start one on a Saturday or on a Sunday. And this is one of the online business ideas that you can use to turn your knowledge or expertise into an income generating asset. You can be able to leverage the power of the internet and sharing your insights, your expertise, your skills, life experiences, and building it into an online business. And in very simple terms, you're going to create a blog on a topic or on something that you enjoy. And it could be anything. You could talk about business, you could talk about parenting, you could talk about sports, maybe interested in cooking, in farming, in insurance, in finance, in traveling, in sailing, in real estate, and in dating, among very many other topics. All you need to do is to pick something that you're interested in and use that to build your blog. By sharing your insights and expertise, you are going to attract people who are interested in the content that you are creating. And over time, you are going to build a loyal audience. Now, you can be able to monetize your blog in Kenya, or you can be able to make money with your blog in Kenya. And there are a number of ways on how blogging makes money in Kenya. Some of those ideas or monetization strategies that you can use include display advertising, affiliate marketing, selling your own digital products, coaching and consulting. You can also be able to do subscription, as well as looking for corporate sponsorships and brand deals, among very many other ideas. And to start a blog on a weekend, it is actually not complicated. It's going to cost you probably less than 6,000 Kenya shillings. And that is the amount of money you need to actually buy your domain and get the basic web hosting. The rest of the stuff you can actually install without additional cost, and you can actually build your blog, and over time you can actually start investing the money you make to actually make it better or grow and scale your blog in Kenya. A YouTube channel in Kenya can be a very good platform for you to monetize your knowledge, your skills and expertise on a particular topic. You may even use it to share your passion, your hobbies and experiences that you have had in life. You can probably share things to do with sports, how you are raising your kids, how you are running your business, traveling, engineering, cooking, budgeting, fashion, fitness, and motorsport, among very many other topics that you can actually talk about on your YouTube channel in Kenya. The idea is that you should pick something or a topic that you have knowledge about or that you're interested in and share your insights, expertise, opinions with the audience that you're building. The good thing about starting a YouTube channel in Kenya is that it is free. All you need to have is a Gmail account, and setting up an account is something that you can do within 30 minutes, and if you are slow, probably within an hour. But the real work will come when it comes to creating content and having a clear plan on how you are actually going to make money with your YouTube channel. And this is where you need to have a proper business plan or a monetization plan, because there are a number of ways on how your YouTube channel in Kenya can actually generate an income for you. Some of those ideas include display advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsorships and brand deals. You can do subscription, you can sell your own merchandise, as well as selling your digital product or services, including monetizing through coaching and consultancy. Quite a number of ways in which you can be able to turn your YouTube channel into an income generating asset. Now, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, and that's why you should be spending your weekends, your Saturdays and Sundays working on your YouTube channel. And this means that even if you are working at another office or you have a full-time job, or you run a business from Monday to Friday, you probably can allocate a few hours every Saturday and Sunday to actually focus on your YouTube channel as a side hustle. And if you actually have the time or you are not doing anything else, then you can actually focus on your YouTube channel full time. That can be the thing that you do from Monday through to Sunday, which would apply to you if you do not have a job and are looking for a way to create a business for yourself. Reason being, you can't be able to turn your YouTube channel into an income-generating online business in Kenya. One of the most interesting and probably a profitable way for you to be able to start an online business on a weekend in Kenya is by creating your own digital products. And this is because creating and selling digital products is one of the most effective ways and simple way for you to earn passive income in Kenya today. And the idea here is very simple. A digital product is something that you can sell that can only be downloaded, but you do not have to deal with the physical form of that particular product. And such products include things like templates, ebooks, printables, and planners, among other ideas. And the beautiful thing here is that when it comes to creating your own digital products, let's say you want to create an ebook, all you're doing is basically monetizing the knowledge, the skills, the expertise that you have by putting them into an online book. You want to create such a product, such a digital product like an ebook, and place it in such platforms as Etsy or Gumroad, and sell it in perpetuity. And that means that you are going to put a lot of effort in creating and building that particular digital product. But once you have completed that particular process, then you are going to be making an income or generating an income online in Kenya without necessarily a lot of effort. Here is the most beautiful thing about creating a digital product for yourself is that it will not cost you any money. Probably it might cost you time because you may need to sit down and create it. But in terms of the capital that you need to actually start an online business based on digital products, it's actually very low. And this is something that you can actually do over a weekend. That means spending more time on a Saturday or on a Sunday actually building or creating digital products that you are going to sell. For example, if you have knowledge on a specific topic, you can write an ebook to share your expertise. If you are organized and enjoy planning, you can maybe design planners or calendars that other people are going to use and can download and apply in their own lives. You may also create business templates such as budgeting trackers or even marketing guides, among other ideas. And as I mentioned, the great thing about having a digital product is that you're only going to create it once. And once that process is done, then you can sell it as many times as you want without any additional cost in terms of what you need to do. So this makes digital products one of the very profitable online business ideas that you can start on a weekend in Kenya, and can be one of your great source of passive income in Kenya. Affiliate marketing is another great online business idea that you can start on a weekend in Kenya, and it is not going to cost you any money, and if it does, it is a very low cost kind of a business. And the idea or the concept behind affiliate marketing is pretty simple. Here, what you are doing is that you are actually getting paid to promote other people's or other companies' products and services. And basically what happens is that you get a product or a service and you get a special link, or what you might call an affiliate link, which is only associated with you to track that particular product or service. And this means that when you make a sale, or when a sale is made using your special affiliate link, you get a piece of that sale. You get a commission on that particular sale. And the amount of money that you are going to get paid depends on also the cost or the price of that particular product or service. They may range from as low as 2 or 3 or 5% to as high as 20, 30, even 50% on some of the digital products that you find online. This online business concept or business model can work very well if you have a blog, if you have a YouTube channel, or if you are active on social media, because you can leverage the audience that you build on those platforms to actually promote product or services and earn a commission from the sales you make from promoting those products or services to your audience. For example, if you are passionate about fitness, you could start a fitness blog, a fitness YouTube channel, where you are going to be reviewing and promoting products related to fitness, such as fitness equipment, workout equipment, fitness applications, or even fitness supplements. And what you are going to do is you are going to join affiliate programs of specific companies that deal with those particular products or services. Or you might even join a general one like Amazon affiliate program, where you actually promote products and get paid a commission when somebody buys that product. Now, it is very important for you to also be a little bit careful when doing affiliate marketing, because you do not want to promote product or services just for the sake of it. You would want to promote products and services that are aligned to your audience, that are relevant to the audience or the target market that you are dealing in. And even more importantly, it is advisable that you only promote products and services that you use, or affiliate products that you actually believe in. Because remember, you're trying to help your audience. And I don't think it would be fair to recommend something that you don't believe in, or something that you yourself would not use. Now, affiliate marketing, or the income that you're going to generate from affiliate marketing, might start small, but as you continue to build it over time, that can grow into a substantial monthly income for you, whether from your social media accounts, from your YouTube channel, or from your blog. The key thing is you need to start doing it and continue being consistent in promoting your affiliate products or services. Another profitable online business idea that you can start in Kenya on a weekend is starting an e-commerce with dropshipping. And this is because when it comes to dropshipping, you actually have a very good opportunity to be able to build a profitable business, because all you are going to be focusing on is actually on selling the products that you have on your store. But you're not going to be dealing with issues related to packaging, storage, and probably in some cases even shipping. This is because the partners that you have, your suppliers and manufacturers, are the ones who are going to be dealing with those items. So in a very basic way, all you need to do is actually set up your online store in such places as Shopify or Etsy, and then list the products that you are selling. And in very simple terms, this is how dropshipping works in Kenya. When a customer buys a product from your store, you forward that particular order to your supplier or manufacturer, who will then actually send or ship that product directly to the customer. What this means to you is that you actually do not need to buy those products upfront. You do not have to have the problem of handling that inventory. And this makes it a very interesting business model. It means you can actually start your dropshipping store in Kenya on a weekend. Spend your Saturday and Sunday actually building your online store on a platform like Shopify, or you can actually use Etsy, and then place the products that you want to sell there. That's basically the work that you are going to do. The rest of the logistics will actually be handled by your supplier or your manufacturer. So what you're just going to be focusing on is actually probably driving traffic to your store, so that customers can buy or place orders of the products that you have placed there. Which is why this can work very well if you combine it, for example, with a blog, if you combine it with a YouTube channel, if you combine it with social media, so that then those can become your top of line kind of platforms to drive traffic to your store. You direct all the traffic you're generating on your blog, on your YouTube channel, on social media accounts to your store. And then after that, then you need to watch the metrics that relate to the conversion. How many people are converting into customers or into paying customers once they are live on your store. So in dropshipping, you only actually pay for the product once you have made a sale. And that removes or reduces a lot of financial risks associated with actually dropshipping or dealing with the products. Which is why this is one of a very good online business ideas that you can start on a weekend in Kenya. Because you can do this on your spare time, on the time that you are enjoying yourself, on a Saturday, on a Sunday. And with the dropshipping in Kenya, or with your dropshipping store in Kenya, you can actually focus on growing your business without dealing with the logistics of how the product is being packaged, stored, and shipped to the customer. And as your business grows and scales, you can probably experiment with more additional products or suppliers, which makes dropshipping in Kenya a flexible and scalable online business idea for generating an income online. If you're interested in having a meeting or one-on-one with me to discuss these particular options, I do offer consultations. I provide 45 to 1 hour consultations, which is very affordable. And if you're interested, there is a link on the description below for you to get on my calendar. And this is because I would want to have a conversation with you on how you can be able to start an income generating online business in Kenya in a strategic way, so that your return on investment can be as high as is possible for you or for your business. If you have enjoyed this particular video, I am sure you are going to enjoy the video on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one.